Hey everyone, this is Joe with nCLOSE. Today we're going to be going over how to reconfigure the Magtek iDynamo6 reader to pass power and data through the side port versus using both ports. Note that the C3PO-R2 can only be used with USB-C devices because the difference between Lightning and USB-C, the technology is much different. So to start, what you want to do is download the Magtek Test app. So if you haven't done so already, go in, download it, and it's a red circle with a lock in the center. After you get it downloaded, go ahead and open it up, then connect the iDynamo6 reader directly into the iPad. Next, you want to go down here to the bottom and locate the Lightning EMV options and select Lightning EMV. So from here, you go into options, scroll down to the bottom of the settings list and look for contact list. If that's not already checked, go ahead and check it. Then go back to the main screen here. So from here, you want to hit connect, this long blue bar, connect the device. This shows that it's connected. Next, you want to go up here to the command line, this gray bar, and enter a code. The code is 01026 F as in Fox 00. So once that's entered, go ahead and press send right next to it. It'll show 4 zeros at the bottom of the list here, showing that it's successfully connected through there. So then from here, you want to hit reset. So after you hit reset, it'll have a long list. Now from here, you can unplug your reader. Grab the two cables from the box, 2A, 2A cables, your C3PO-R2, and plug in the cables to the side with H and P. The H is host and the host is the tablet. P is peripheral and that is the reader. So plug in H into the tablet, plug in P to the side of the reader. Once that's connected, then you can connect again. You'll have a list pop up. Then from here, you want to push start, and that's going to have a transaction amount. So just put in 1 or whichever number you want, then press start. Then here at the bottom, it'll say present card. So now you'll grab your tester card that has NFC on it and present it to the reader. So that means that it was approved and your iDynamo6 is ready to go.